I'm very excited to be back with another breakfast recipe. So I love overnight oats because they're very simple to make, very quick to put together. I basically soak the oats in milk overnight, keep them in my refrigerator, and when I wake up in the morning, they're basically ready to be consumed. I just grab and go. So I'm starting with half a cup of oats, putting them into a bowl. So for making overnight oats, you should ideally use the traditional rolled oats. If you don't have them, you can use instant oats like I'm using right now. But I wouldn't recommend you using the steel cut oats because they don't soak the liquid as well and don't become super soft. Now to this, I'm adding 1 cup of milk. So I'm using cow's milk for my overnight oats. If you want to make your oats vegan, you could also add plant-based milk. And now is the time to add sweetener. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of honey. Again, if you want to make a vegan version, please feel free to add the same amount of maple syrup. Now all you need to do with this is to let it rest in the refrigerator overnight. So I'm sharing the apple pie overnight oats version with you first, and for that we'll start by making our apple filling. I'm adding 1/4 cup of apples. To this I'm adding 2 tablespoons of dried cranberries. I'll also add a pinch of cinnamon, about 1/4 teaspoon, 2 tablespoons of water. And I'm also adding about a tablespoon of light brown sugar, which is completely optional. And now I'll cook this on medium heat until the apples begin to break down and the sugar melts completely. So this is the batch that I had soaked last night, and it's become really nice and thick, but it's still not clumpy. It still has some liquid, and that's how I like my overnight oats. The next version that I'm making is peanut butter and jelly. I'm using fresh strawberries, I'm using peanut butter, I'm also topping it with pumpkin seeds, and I'm using the strawberry chia jam. So the next and the final version is the chocolate and banana overnight oats. I'm adding cocoa powder to it. I'm also using freshly sliced bananas and topping my overnight oats with some chia seeds. So